Model, 2018 Peugeot Boxer 333 L1h1 Blue 2.0 HDI. Body, yellow, panel van. Mileage, 117020. MOT, the 4th of June 2025. Engine, 1997 ccdw10 FUD. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Head gasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurising. Straightforward has just get replacement job. VAT is included, absolute bargain, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van. Features, 0 former keepers, EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call